You look at smokers, they're always coughing. Yeah, they're going to cough. And even when they stop smoking, they'll cough for a couple of years because little by little, the body lets it go. But there's an excellent remedy if someone can't sleep because they're coughing, and that is chopping up onion, putting it on the bottom of the feet. You could slip it into socks even, then put a plastic bag round so your sheets don't smell like onion. And that's very effective at stopping night coughing. And the reason for that is, I know everyone, if they chop up an onion, they start crying. So there's properties in the onions that directly affect the respiratory, the mucous membranes. And the biggest pores in the whole of our body are on the soles of our feet.